I am sharing some pride today. I have just had a workshop which was really good and beneficial, and you know, one of the things during my workshop, everyone gets to chat and give their opinion and all that sort of stuff. And one of the most beneficial things is that the people who turn up around the table who don't know each other from Adam or Eve, there's always something serendipitous about them being here. There's always something beneficial about them all being here. So it's really, really nice, really great. Like, I know someone who, or something like that. It's really, really good. So I'm so proud of the people who turn up at my workshops and enjoy themselves and benefit from doing the workshop as well as anyway. So, and the other thing is that before my workshop, I had a lovely client session, and he's my one client that I see in person because he doesn't want to do it over the thing. So, how would you feel if someone said to you that for the past 15 years, I felt like I have been in a boiling pot and I've now become calm and going with the flow and feel normal? I'm ecstatic. I'm so proud of him. He's been putting in the hard work. He shows up every time we have a session. He's been focusing on his life, and of course the outcome, it's not the outcome yet, but you know, we're 4 months in. We're all good. And we had the discussion of, well, is this enough? Has he got enough? Is this what he came for? But we'll just take it. We're just going to space them out a bit and see how it goes, because I am so proud of him. This is phenomenal. To go from 15 years of feeling like you're in a boiling pot to actually be able to sit back and take stock and look at your life and enjoy it and do things that you enjoy and actually know that you're doing things that you enjoy. And now I feel like I'm rambling. I'm so proud. I could not be prouder. So there you go. Just thought I'd share. So thanks for listening. So come on down, ask me a question. I would love to answer a question. Are you creating your own reality? Because, well, you are. That's my truth. Okay. Bye.